Untuk pertama kali saya belajar bahasa asing ini melalui media sosial, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, dan saya pikirkan bukan sekedar untuk apa saja Facebook, Messenger, dan WhatsApp digunakan, tapi buat belajar bahasa asing itu sangat mudah. Ya, karena dengan Facebook kita bisa meng-add langsung seluruh kawan-kawan di luar negeri, terutama saya mempunyai kawan hampir 5.000 kawan luar negeri. Hi my friend all around the world, my name is Pierce Corporal Hardy Usman. I'm working at Kodim 01 Biren. So I'm really interesting to introduce myself to all of people around the world. It means that I can speak 7 foreign language, lingua più difficile. Oke, itu belum, masih banyak itu Jerman dan daerah hier, meine Stadt, Biren Aceh, Indonesia. Nah ya, ich bedoel het. Dan jawel ya, ich gebrauche mit jou auch ja, allein I'm working at Kodim 01 Biren. So I'm really interesting to introduce myself to all of people around the world. It means that I can speak 7 foreign languages. It means by this time I'm really interesting to invite all of people around the world to know about more, especially in Aceh, because I live in Aceh province right now. I want to discuss with you about how to promote our tourism, yeah, because you know that it's really interesting. It means that